He says, ow. Can we pause and time out while I get it? Oh, fuck. Wrong side. Watch out.
You don't want to do a firefight. Come on. Come on. I got a pistol. What's in a grenade on a pistol?
Yeah, it's getting late.
I have them to wait.
We're not going to bring anything back that we pack out. We're ready to dump all munitions.